Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to making Moroccan soap. We are making use of olive and avocado here inside this bowl, and the oils we are using is castor oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, and shea butter. So we're going to use vegetable glycerin, and I'm making use of coconut milk. You can make use of distilled water, and potassium hydroxide, KOH. So the first thing we're going to do now is to pour our oils into the crook pot to heat up. So we're going to heat up the oils for the shea butters to dissolve very well, and to make sure that the oils are well heated up before we add our blended paste, which is the fresh olives and avocado, fresh avocado. So after I am done pouring the oils, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is to blend. So right here we have blended the avocado and the olives together to make sure it comes to a very smooth paste. Then we pour it. We're going to add it right now into the heated oils. So here is our potassium hydroxide dissolved into the coconut milk, because I'm using a coconut milk, but you can use distilled water in case you cannot grab a coconut milk. So right here I've poured in the paste of the fresh avocado and fresh olive. So I'm going to mix it well and blend with my hand mixer to come to a very smooth dissolving paste. So make sure your paste and the oils are well mixed together before you add your lye solution. So right now I'm going to start blending it. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and thank you so much for always coming back, commenting, and showing us some love. We are very grateful. We want to say a very big thank you to everyone who comes in to watch our videos, and we hope most of our videos are very helpful to you. And please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. I want to thank those who came to purchase our Castro soap, liquid soap. I want to say a very big thank you for supporting our small business growing and growing. We pray it becomes big soon. And for now, our website is down. We are trying to rebuild a new website, so once it's ready, it will be up on our screen in all of our other videos that we're going to be posting soon. So right now I am blending the mixture together to make sure it's well mixed with the oils before I add the slice solution. So hello guys, so now I am going to add the lye solution into the mixture, the oils and a fresh avocado and fresh olives. So first thing you're going to do is make sure you turn it very well before you start stick blending. And when you stick blending, make sure you bring it to trace before you start cooking it for about 2 hours. So I'm going to stick blend it, make sure is the lye goes into the oils very well, is well mixed, and I have to make sure it comes to trace before I start cooking the oil. So make sure you pay attention very well to this part. This is the most important part before you start cooking it. So don't just blend it and cover it and start cooking. No, make sure you bring it to trace. So So one thing with this soap is that it doesn't only deep cleans your skin very well, it also helps to exfoliate your skin. So if you don't like using scrub, it's best you get Moroccan based soap and mix it with AHA to enable you to deep exfoliate your dead skin cells from your skin, so the product you're applying would work very well. So I'm still blending and bringing it to trays, and I love the smell, the coconut milk smell. It's so yummy. And also this soap is if you don't like the texture, because it's pretty very soft, so if you don't like the texture, you can mix it with your black soap. So after mixing other ingredients into your black soap, you can add a bit or a bunch of this Moroccan soap into your black soap to enable it to foam, because this soap doesn't foam very well. And so you should enable it to foam very well, and also helps to nourish your skin pretty well. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this soap for a face soap. So I'm going to mix it with my black soap to make a very soothing face soap for all skin types. And also helps, my face soap actually helps to stop you from breaking out, also helps to dry up your breakout. So if you haven't tested my face soap, make sure you order for it on our Instagram page showing right now on the screen, and you can also WhatsApp us. The number is showing right on the screen. So I'm going to still blend it till it comes to trace. So you can see right now it's becoming thick, so it's coming to trace, but you can still see some oils by the side. So I'm going to make sure I blend it thoroughly and it comes to a very good trace. So I'm going to keep blending it. So I've been blending it for almost like 15 minutes, and I'm going to still keep blending it. So you don't just like blend and say, okay, it's thick already, so let me just cook it right now. No, keep blending it till it comes to the texture that I'm going to show you right now. So it's quite a little bit thick already, but I'm still going to blend it till it comes to the trace that it's supposed to come to before you can start cooking it. So right here, guys, I have to stop talking for a while and concentrate. So right now you can see the way it is. It has come to trace. But you can see the color is already changing because it has already started heating up pretty well. I don't have thermometer right now, but I'm going to pick it up from where it's being kept to check the temperature. And make sure I'm trying to use my spatula to mix the lye into the soup properly, so I can cover it to start cooking. So what you do is make sure you mix it properly, turn it very well. I think you're only for like about 3 to 5 minutes. So you can see the texture is beginning to cook up. So between the 2 hours of your cooking, make sure you check it every 30 minutes and be turning it, and make sure that the lye mix well with the oils, and your soup can come out pretty well. So mix it very well, mix it very well. So it's almost, this is like 1 hour 30 minutes. So you can see the soup is coming to life pretty, looks very yummy, and the smell of the coconut milk, it's something else. And so it's almost 2 hours right now, so I have to cut it short at some point. So here we are. So it's 2 hours already. So here is the Moroccan black soup. You can see the color of the olives that I used. I didn't use the very dark black olive. So if you want your Moroccan soup to come out in that dark color, you can use the black olive to make the soup. So this is how it is, pretty well. So I'm still cooking it for about, I think I have about 20 minutes left for the soup to cook up, and then I could package it or mix it with my black soup to mix my face soup. So right here, this is the last result. So it's been 2 hours already and the soup is ready. So I hope this was helpful. So make sure you have a crock pot before you make the soup. The crock pot is very important in making hot processed soup. So lovely. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel by pressing the red button below. Stay safe. God bless you. We love you.